Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to customize your Carbon browser toolbar shortcuts on mobile devices. This guide will help you make your browsing experience faster and more convenient by placing the tools you use most within easy reach. First, open the Carbon browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the top right corner and tap on the three-dot menu. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings to open the browser configuration page. After that, scroll down until you find the Appearance option and tap on it. Next, locate the Toolbar shortcut option and select it to see the list of available shortcuts. Then, choose the toolbar shortcut that you want to use, such as New Tab, Share this page, or any other option available in the list. Finally, exit the settings and return to your browser to see the updated toolbar shortcut in action. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.